Okay, it comes all nice and tucked. That it came all in one whole package out of the box. So we're building an outdoor cat shelter. I have many cats outdoors that I own. You see my kitties here? But these are my indoor cats, but I have outdoor cats that I feed outside. So these are everything. This is the pad with the power cord so it could keep it warm. And these are the two side panels. This is the roof. I just have it flipped upside down. This is how it looks, because this is the little overhead over the front door. How easy to grip them in. It does come with the tools. They packaged it so good. It has all my nails I'm gonna need. Instructions. Okay, at first it was kind of tricky. You see the 3, 1, 2. It tells you what side. It doesn't have a sticker like they normally have a bunch of these. They have stamped on all your stuff. Okay, so this is number 2 and 4, and we have 3. Okay, we screwed in 3 and 2 together. Okay, we're setting up the roof. You can see there. Okay, I finished building the house. It has its little roof, its little doors here. You see the plug here. Look at this roof. Nice. Open up. It has a padding so it could keep it warm. It has 2 areas. This has a nice hole to it. I could let it go and it's fine. It holds really well. Okay. It's a good size. Look at this. Nice. Let me show you what they've been having for. Okay, so we built this little patio and look at the inside. All good. Okay, we have a little tail in here already. Let's see who's inside our little house. Ooh, they're exploring our house. Let's see to the top. Oh, there he is, our little mystery guy. He's already here. Oh, he likes it. You like the house we got you for the outside?